to the fourth and final section of this course. In this section, you will learn how to select all the right furnishings for your room, including rugs, furniture, wall art and wall decor, lighting, window coverings, accessories, and plants. Regarding rugs, you will learn why nearly every room in your house should have a rug. You will learn how to select the perfect size and perfect material for your rug and what color rug you should choose. Now, regarding furniture selection, you will be able to see different furniture layouts that will work in nearly anyone's home. You will learn how to choose the right size furniture every time so you don't end up with anything that is too big or too small for your space. And you will learn how to ensure that you have the right furniture for all of your key activities. Regarding wall art and wall decor, you will learn how to hang it right every time. In the area of lighting, you will learn why it's so important to have a layered lighting scheme, and more importantly, how to do it successfully so that your lighting will meet all of your functional needs and create some amazing drama in your room as well. With regards to window coverings, I will discuss all of the different options available today, and I will be sharing a designer trick with you on how to create a custom look for your drapes, even if you purchase off-the-shelf inexpensive drapes. Finally, with regards to accessories and greenery, you will learn why including these items in your home is the single best way to really elevate the overall design of your room and give the room a model touch. Lastly, with regards to all of these types of furnishings, I will be providing you with my go-to places on where to shop for each of these types of items. And at the end of this section, you will be taking your one and only quiz for the course that will cover the entire material. So let's go ahead and dive right in.